Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. It's very tasty and very healthy and very nutritious. I'm going to use mushroom. There are two types of mushroom. These both are organic mushroom. We're going to cut into small pieces and we're going to wash them in cold water. Then I'm going to use one onion. I'm going to use 1 pound sweet mini peppers. These are different color peppers. As for the spices, I'm going to use it for my spice rack and olive oil. So please check out the description below for the ingredient list and let's get started. You can cut it on the side like this, the other colors. So I will keep cutting like this. I'll finish cutting all the same way. I cut the onion into small pieces. Mushroom, I cut into small pieces. I washed with the cold water. Sweet mini peppers are cut into small pieces. And let's start making a perfect vegetarian dish. Get a fry pan. And I'm going to start gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon. I'll bring onion, mix it well. And we're going to saute our onion until they become translucent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They start turning brown. I'm going to bring the diced tomato, mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid for 1 minute so that the tomatoes can get tender. Cooking for 1 minute with the closed lid, I'm going to turn the fan on. Mix it well. I'm going to bring my gas to medium and I'll bring all the spices. Turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, half teaspoon. Coriander powder, half teaspoon. Salt, half teaspoon. Ground ginger, half teaspoon. Garlic powder, half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. We're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for half a minute. Once all the spices are nicely incorporated, I'm going to bring mushroom, mix it well. Takes a little longer to cook. So after mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid. I'm going to start the fan. I'll open it. Mix it. Now I'm going to bring sweet mini pepper and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to close with the lid and on medium gas, we're going to cook another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes cooking on medium gas. I'm going to start the fan. I'll open it. Now I will bring the gas to high. Mix it well. And we're going to cook it on high gas for 1 to 2 minutes. If you haven't tried it, please try it. It's very colorful. And it's very tasty. As you can see, there is no more water. With the open lid on high gas for 1 minute. I'll cook additional 1 minute and then I'm going to dish out. If there is no more water content, I'm going to turn off the gas and I'll dish out. I got my serving plate. Oh, look at this. So delicious. Vegetarian dish. Our quick and easy mushroom and mini sweet pepper sabji is all ready. Please try it and it's very delicious and very nutritious. And if you like this recipe, please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.